Hi everybody, I wanted to show you, with the assistance of my son, this really cool stand right here. This is a shop stand that has a very special vise mounted onto it. It can rotate 360, it can come up and down vertically, and perhaps even more importantly, it has this full pivoting. I mean, we're talking more than 180 degrees. It's just boom. Well, anyway, I'm going to show you one of the cool pieces that I put into it, which is this vacuum fixture. And I also have a metal pin that goes through the vise into the block so that it can't come off by mistake, even if the jaws of the vise loosen. Okay? So I'm going to pitch this forward, lock it off, and I'm going to show you what this does. It uses a vacuum clamp system here with this wonderful little pump. It gets up to about 20 inches, negative 20 inches of mercury, and I can use it for a variety of tasks while I'm working. It's got this foam gasket so it doesn't mar the finish in any way, and it just uses negative air pressure. And if I would probably hurt myself if it's not coming off. And yet it's safe and it can't get scratched. So if I were doing some sanding, for instance, or clearing something out with a chisel, I could bring this up to this height so that I don't have to bend over my workbench. Just work the instrument this way. And it's really an elegant, comfortable, ergonomic, basically three-dimensional workbench in space with no tabletop. It's really, really cool. When I want to release it, I hit the pressure release, pops right off. Now, what's really cool is this also works with acoustic instruments. And again, it doesn't damage the finish. It won't damage the bracing in any way. As you'll see in here, I have a Martin on this workbench. And I'm about to reglue the bridge on this. When I'm working here, if I'm using a chisel, you don't need to get in too close, I just want to explain. If I'm scraping away the old glue to get a good joint, I have to be down like this. And, alright, I'm not in my 20s anymore. Hunching over a workbench all day long not only hurts, but it's not so good for fine motor control. I don't have the finesse when I'm bending down that much to work. So, we take this nice Martin, put it right on there, and again, it's rock solid. I can lift this up and put it in a position where I don't have to bend over at all. And I have total comfortable movement, and I can finesse the removal of the glue to have a really perfect footprint when I reglue the bridge to this. In addition, if I want to steam the neck out, I can take the necks out using steam and I can work them this way. I don't have to bend over and wrestle the neck out. I can do it very elegantly with this device. And pretty much any angle I want, even on the rotation. I can spin it, I can move it this way, I can do anything I want. And when I'm done, I just hit the pressure release, pops right off. So, again, this is a really cool shop stand and vacuum vise. And it's an amazing tool. It's like having an extra workbench without the furniture. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.